Hi everyone, my name is Sarah James and you are watching Jessie James Beads on Facebook Live. Today we are doing a live unboxing of the Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box. The Magical Mystery Bead Box is a monthly curated subscription created by the design team at Jessie James Beads. It is a selection of beautiful beads, tassels, design components, all with a really fun monthly theme. So we have a group on Facebook called the Jessie James Magical Mystery Bead Group. If you have questions about it or want to hear how awesome this thing is, join the group. Our girls will be happy to tell you. And I'm really happy that you're here to do a little unveiling of what's inside the April box. We had a really great time putting this theme together. And I'm really looking forward to what's to come for next month's theme. It's always a really fun adventure creating these boxes with our design team. Today is May 7th, and the cutoff to sign up for that month's box is always the 7th of every month. So if you're interested in Magical Mystery Bead Box, tonight is your night to sign up. The link is right up there for you to see what we have going on. You get free shipping with a 3, 6, and 12-month box, and you get double Jessie James Beads rewards points when you subscribe. So that's my little ditty. And I guess we'll just get on down to this. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining. It is lovely to be here with you on this beautiful day. Yes, spring. So without further ado, let's turn the camera around. Let's dive into this box. All right, flipping her around. All right, Magical Mystery Bead Box. What might she have in store for us? We are about to find out. So, when you get your mystery box, always carefully remove the beautiful label from the front. This is how the boxes arrive every single month. It's just a little bundle of black and white and pink joy. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A theme card. Magical Mystery April is Seize the Day. So each month's box comes with this beautiful card and all of this information about what's inside. So we've got some bead mixes, we've got a tassel mix, there's always a bead kit, a jewelry design kit, some cool charms. So I'll set this to the side and we'll just go through everything all together. All right, also included is a coupon and a bunch of pink fluff. Save it for later or put it in the trash. This is a lot. Put that to the side. Let's see what do we have in here. So we're looking at the Seize the Day Magical Mystery Bead Box, our monthly subscription program from Jessie James Beads. This box includes a mini mix. We called it Coastline, featuring Swarovski bicone crystals. And also there's some natural pearls in there. Really beautiful. Next we've got the Nautical Stripes tassel set. So cute. So adorable. These mini tassels are so wonderful. I was making some earrings with them last night. And they're just so versatile for bracelet dangles or earrings, what have you. Little charms, little tassel charms. Next, we have the Lighthouse Mini Mix. This is really adorable. Oh, it has this beautiful little bobbly charm to it and a bunch of cool check glass, a toggle. It's a really nice bulging pack of beads. Next, I've got the what do we call this? The Deep Blue Sea Inspiration Bead Mix. So in this inspiration set, that's a fitting name because it's very inspiring. You're getting 2 anchor charms, anchor pendants, really, they're rather large. A big wooden bead. There's some fiber knotted beads. This beautiful little embellished boho beads. It's a really cool set. Next, I've got a set of pewter bead caps for you.
These are versatile. Good to be used all over the place. Really cool shapes too. Love this set. And again, guys, we're looking at the Magical Mystery Bead Box. And if you're interested in becoming a subscriber, tonight's the night to sign up. The 7th of each month is the cutoff. And we've got a really cool box in store for you coming up this month. Look at this tassel charm. I gotta take this out of the bag. Ooh, I am digging this. Look at this one, guys. Look at this metal tassel. That's fun. So swingy. Man, I would love that on the end of a really long necklace, especially going into these summer months. Love, love long, long layering jewelry to go on top of light casual clothing. Okay, so there's that. What's next? Ooh, the whale tail charms. Guys, look at these. Little pewter whale tail charms. It matches Seize the Day so perfect. Aww. You get 3 of them. Gosh, I would make those into maybe a pair of earrings and then a necklace for a friend. They're such, gosh, the pewter is beautiful. So shiny. I'm digging it. Okay, so those are the whale tail charms. What else is in here? I feel like it just keeps going and going. I feel like I'm digging through Mary Poppins' box of beaded treasures. What comes up next? Gorgeous beaded chain. Check this out. I am a huge fan, and so are the design team members at Jessie James Beads. We are big fans of mixed metal right now. It is trendy, and it's just kind of avant-garde and gives you a look that you maybe wouldn't expect. So we've got the gold chain, but then we have the silver anchors and the silver charms over there. I kind of like it. Mixing it up. And this chain is just absolutely beautiful. Chain reaction is custom to Jessie James Beads. It's 18 inches per piece, so you get 36 inches in this set of the same beautiful AB blue faceted rondelle chain. Can we see everything? I feel like I gotta back my camera up so we can catch everything that's in this window. Look at this box. Okay, and last but not least, I'm so excited about this. We had so much fun putting this together. This is the bead kit that came with the April edition of the Magical Mystery Bead Box. And the kit says, whale, 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 what's this? It's the What's This kit. You get one in every single Magical Mystery Bead Box. And this month's box, we created some really cool bracelet projects for you. Super simple and fun, quick, easy make projects. So, let's open this bad boy up. Karen Waters wants to know if the May box is still available. Yes, Karen, actually we've just put them live on the site. You can get this whole set that I'm showing you right now at jessiejamesbeads.com. Just click the link. Super limited quantities, so if you're watching this video at a later date, it might not be there anymore. So in the Whale, Whale, Whale kit, I've got a stretch of beach cord, navy and cream cotton cord. Also, a nice stretch. I believe this is a 3 wrap around amount of denim cord. Also, you get a toggle clasp and some jump rings, so you're ready to go to make a bracelet. And this gorgeous magnetic clasp from our friends at Primitive Earth Beads. If you know the guys at bead shows that sell the amazing chain and leather, South African family, Primitive Earth, that's them. This is an amazing clasp. Super high quality, sterling silver plated. And you also get, from our friends at Tierra Cast, this gorgeous set of end findings from their brand new Blossom collection. So the Blossom end findings are meant to go with the denim cord, and the Primitive Earth clasp, sterling silver plated, is meant to go with the beach cord. So we also, with every with every What's This project kit, we always have a tutorial on our blog, which you can go and check out. We're new at doing these sorts of tutorials, but we're learning and they're getting better. And the projects are simple and easy and fun. So here's the completed beach cord bracelet. Isn't that cute? Just like simple and fun and wearable. And the clasp is just gorgeous. And then we also have the denim cord project. And I saw over on the Magical Mystery Bead group here on Facebook, some people were posting some designs that they had made with these bracelets, with this cord and the findings. One of our subscribers dangled all sorts of bits from these kits on this denim cord. It looked so cool. So definitely something to check out. So that is the What's This project kit that comes in the Magical Mystery Bead box. And here is here's April for you. Magical Mystery. Like I said, we had a lot of fun putting this together. We were inspired by the whales, and a bead box was born. So I'm just going to flip the camera back around. Thank you guys so much for joining today. If you are interested in Magical Mystery Bead Box, go and click on the link and take a look at it. If you have any questions, you can of course just leave them here for us. We'll be happy to answer them to you. And again, we've got double points at Jessie James Beads for signing up for a Magical Mystery Bead Box. So that can get you upwards of 700 points, which is close to the $10 level of free gifts at Jessie James. So take a look. Let me know if you have any questions. The deadline to sign up is tonight, and the May box will be shipping out between the 15th and 17th of the month. So coming up real quick. Thank you so much for joining. We appreciate you guys being here so very, very much. We love putting these boxes together. It's a highlight. It's a really, really fun part of this job. So thank you for being part of our mission. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you become one. Okay. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Enjoy the sunshine if you're up here in the Northeast like us. Bye.